Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Students, today in this session we complete revise the chapter Factors and Multiple, chapter 3, class 5 for your periodic test 1 2025-26 and our target to score 20 in your exam. So let's start the session. We already completed chapter 1 and the chapter 2. So let's start the session. In this chapter, first we understand what is multiple. Then we understand how to find the multiple between the any two number or less than. Okay. Then what is even and odd? Then LCM and how to find the LCM or method of the LCM. Then what is factor? Find all the factor of any number. Okay. And HCF. Then prime number and the composite number. Then what is prime factorization? Then LCM by the prime factorization method and the some important note. Okay. So let's start. The first is multiple. So do you know what is multiple? Now suppose a number, if we multiply, that is 1, 2, 3, etc., then we get that number is called the multiple of that number. Means suppose a number is 7. 7 is multiplied with 1, that is 7. If 7 is multiplied with 2, that is 14. 7 is multiplied with 3, that is 21. 7 is multiplied with 4, that is 28. Means this 7, 14, 21 and 28 are the multiple of 7. Understand? Okay. Now suppose I will say sixth multiple of suppose 8. So how to find? Simply multiply these two digit, that is 6 8 are 48. Understand? Suppose third multiple of 12. Simply multiply 12 3 are 36. I hope all of you clear. Suppose the question is find the multiple of 5 between 30 sorry 33 to 40 41. Okay. So we know that 5 multiple means 5 table. That is 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, 5 4 are 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 dot dot dot. Yes or no? Now then which multiple of the 5 lie between 33 and 41? Now check 35 and 40. So write down. So answer is 35 and 40. I hope clear. And also remember that we cannot find largest multiple of any number. Okay. Then we can find the smallest multiple. So smallest multiple of any number, that itself. Okay. Suppose 7 and smallest multiple, same 7. 30 smallest multiple, same 13. Suppose 625 smallest multiple, same 625. Understand? Now this is all about multiple. Now solve. Fourth multiple of 5, that is 20. Fifth multiple of 3, that is 15. 7 multiple of 8, that is 8 7 8 ja 56. Sixth multiple of 2, that is 12. Third multiple of 12, 36. Understand? Next. Write the multiple of 6. Means we find the 6 multiple or 6 table between the 20 and 40. Then 6 3 ja 18. 6 4 ja 24. The first is 24. Then 30. Then 36. Then 42 means more than 40. So the answer is 24, 30 and the 36. Understand? Now next. Write the seventh multiple of 7 which are less than 14. Less than 40 means that is 7, 14, then 7 3 are 21, then 28, 7 4 5 are 35. Okay, these are the answers. Understand? If the question asks, write the multiple of 7 between 10 to Suppose 20, 10 to 20, that is only 14. Okay, next. Is a multiple of 24. Is 24 a multiple of 24? Yes, because smallest multiple of the 24 is 24. So answer is yes, true. Is 61 is a multiple of 61? Yes, true. 47 a multiple of 1. Remember that 1 is, sorry, every number is a multiple of 1. Okay, suppose 7. 7 is a multiple of 1. Yes, because 1 is divisible by any number. That's why 47 is a multiple of 1. Understand? Next. Odd and even. Then what is odd? Now the number which is divisible by 2 is called the even number. All simply remember that the number whose unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are number the even number. Otherwise odd number. So tell me, 5 means odd, 8 means even, here is 2 means even, 3 means odd. I hope all of you clear what is odd and even. A number which is a multiple of 2 is called the even number or divisible by smallest even number. Okay, the number starts from 2, 1, then 2, then 3, etc. The smallest even number is 2 and smallest odd number is 1. Okay, next. Find the LCM in each case. Okay, so first understand what is LCM. The LCM full form is lowest common multiple. Okay, now how to find? Actually, LCM we can find in three methods. The first method is listing method, listing multiple method, listing multiple method. This method is called the listing multiple method. And the second method is called the common division method. Common division method. And the third method is prime factorization method. Okay. But this question we solve by the listing multiple method. So tell me, what is the multiple of 4? Now the 4 multiple is 4, 8, 4 3 are 12, then 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, etc. Now we can write multiple of 6, that is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, then 42, 48, okay, 54, 60, etc. Common multiple. So tell me which one is common. Now 12 and 12 is common. So first we write down 12. 24 and 24 is common. Then write down 24. Then 36, 36 is common. Write down 36. Okay. Now the question is LCM of the 4 and L means lowest. Then which one is the lowest common multiple? 12. So answer is 12. Okay. This is the listing multiple method. Next, factor. Then what is factor? Now factor means suppose 48. 2 is a factor of 48. If we divide 48 by 2, then the remainder is 0. Then 2 is the factor of 48. Okay. And also before find the factor, you should remember the divisibility rule. Divisibility rule of the 2, divisibility rule of 3, 5. Okay. Simply 3 digit divisibility rule you must know. Then you can solve the factors. Okay. The rule of the 2 is last digit must be 2, so 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And the 3 rule is sum of the digit in 3 table. And the last one is 5 is 0 and 5 the unit place. Unit place must be 0 or 5. Okay. Now check, is the factor of 36? Simply we divide 36 with 5. If the remainder is 0, then yes, otherwise no. Because 5 7 are 35. The remainder is 1. So that's why the answer is no. Second, 7 is a factor of 77. Yes, because 77 divided by 7 is 11. The remainder is 0. That's why true or yes. 8 is a factor? No. 9 is a factor of 17? No. 12 is a factor? Yes. Okay. Now next. Write all the factor of the following. This is important. So how to solve? Suppose I take one question that is 45. So write down 45. So how to write all the factor? Now the method is first write down 1 into 45. Means any number you can write 1 into this number. Suppose 20. Suppose 20. You can write 1 into 20. Suppose 84. You can write 1 into 84. I hope understand. Now check this number is divisible by 2. No, because unit place is not 0, 2, 6, 4 and 8. That's why. Then we check the 3 rule. So 3 is, if you add the 5 plus 4, that is 9. 9 is in 3 table? Yes. Means this number is divisible by 3. Okay. Now 3 into how much? Now divide. 3 1 ja 3, mind re. 3 1 ja 3, 15. 3 5 ja 15. Or simply divided. That is 45 with 3, that is 15. Try to solve in mind. Okay. If you practice, then you can solve easily. Now, after 3, then you check 4, then 5. 5 into, that is 5 9 ja. Okay. Then 6 rule is, remember that 6 rule is, if the digit, the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Okay, but this number is not divisible by 2. That's why 6 cannot divisible by 6. That's why we next the digit is 7, then 8, then 9. Directly divisible by 9. 9 into 5. If the two steps are equal or the same steps are, sorry, one step are equal, then we stop. Okay, now write down the factors. That is 1, 3 and 5, then 9, 15, 45. Okay, next. 20 similarly, 1 into 20, 2 into 10 and then 4 into 5, then 5 into 4. Then these steps are same. That's why we stop. Stop means we write down 1, comma 2, comma 4, comma 5, comma 10, comma 20. Okay. Now here 1 into 84. Okay. Then it is divisible by 2. Yes, because last digit is 4. So 2 into 2 4 ja 8. Then 2 2 ja means 42. Then 3 is divisible by 84. Yes, because 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 means 3 divisible. So that's why 3 into 3 2 ja 6. In mind, that is 2 plus 2, right side 4, that 24. 3 8 ja 24. Now this number is divisible by 4. Yes, 4. Actually 4 rule is last 2 digit in 4 table. Okay, but this is the bigger number. That's why we simply divided. That's so if you divided with 4, that is 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja. Suppose the number is 2420. In that case, the 4 is rule is applicable. Otherwise, not. If the 2 digit, we cannot use the rule of the 4. That's why simply division or simply check. Next. Now 5. No 5 not, because the last digit is 4. Now check 6. Yes, because 2 and 3 means 6 compulsory. So 6 into 6 1 ja 6, 24, 6 4 ja. Now 7. Yes, 7 table directly, 7 12 ja. Now 8 no, 9 no, 10 no, 11 12, direct 12. 12 into 7. Now these two steps are equal. Now we stop. Yes or no? Write down 1 2 3 4 and 6 7 12 14 21 28 42, then 84. Okay, now this is the answer. And also remember that in factor, the smallest factor is always 1. Means all the numbers, smallest factor is 1. Yes or no? And the largest factor is same number. Okay. So simply you remember the smallest factor of every number is 1 and the largest factor of every number is itself. And also factor we can count, but multiple we cannot count. Means we can find infinite number of multiple, but we can count the finite number of the factors of every number. Okay. Now same factor of the 10, 1, comma 2, comma 5, comma 10. Factor of the 15, 1, comma 3, comma 5, comma 15. Okay. How to solve? Now this method, 1 into 10, 2 into 5, then 5 into 2. Now stop. 1, 2, 5, 10. Now 15 same, 1 into 15, 3 into 5, then 5 into 3. Now stop. Okay. Now common is 1. So write down 1. Then 5, write down 5. Okay. Next. Find the HCF by using this method, that is the factor method. And how to find the HCF? The HCF full form is highest common factor. So tell me, this 10 and 15, what is the HCF? The HCF is 5 because highest common is 5. There are the two common factor, one is 1 and another is 5. The highest is 5. So answer, that is the HCF equal to 5. Okay. Similarly, we can solve, suppose F number. How to solve? Now the first we write down 20 factor. That is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, then 20. Now 30 factor, same 1, 2, 3, then 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Similarly, 40, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, then 40. So tell me what is the common factor? Now the common is 1, 2, and 5, then 10. Okay, that much. So what is the highest? HCF means highest common factor. So highest common factor is 10. So answer is 10. Means HCF is 10. I hope you understand. Then you can solve any bit, yes or no. I'll say the answer. The first answer is 10. HCF is 10. Here is 19. Here is 4. Here is 5. Here is 1. Here is 10. Here is 3 and 4. Here is 8. Sorry, 4. And here is 5. And here is 4. So how I solve in mind? Because we know that the highest common multiple. Now this two number is divisible maximum 10. 10 2 ja, 10 3 ja. That's why the answer is 10. And this two number is divisible by 19 because 19 table is 19 1 ja, 19 2 ja. That's why the shape is 19. Okay. Now this number is divisible by 4. 4 4 ja, 4 7 ja. Okay. That's why 5. But you should find the factor method. First find the factor of the first number, second number, third number, then find the common and write the HCF. Okay. Next. Prime number and the composite number. Then what is prime number? The number whose only two factor. Okay, the number whose only two factor, that is the 1 and itself. Suppose the number is 2. The two factor is 1 and 2. Okay, the number is 3. Same 1 and 3. Then 5. Same 1 and 5. Those number has two factor is called the prime number. And also more than two factor, that is the composite number. But 1 has only one factor. That's why 1 is neither composite nor prime number. So answer is 1 is a prime number? No. So answer is no. Write the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. And also remember that from 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers are there. And 1 to 50, that is 15 prime numbers are there. And 50 to 100, that is 10 prime number. You should remember. Okay. And the 1 to 20 prime numbers are, first is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, then 17, 19. Okay, these are the first 20, sorry, first 1 to 20 prime numbers. Okay, the smallest prime number is first is 2, that's why 2. Composite number, the first composite number is 4 because 1 is not prime and composite. 2 is the first prime number, 3 is the second prime number, 4 is composite number. That's why the first composite number is 4. Okay. Now the odd prime. The first one is the even prime. And remember that in the world only 2 is the even prime. But the odd prime number is smallest. The smallest odd prime number is 3. Okay. Even composite, same 4. Odd composite, that is the 9. Because 4 is first composite number, 6 is the second composite number, then 6, 7, 8. 8 is the third, then 9 is the fourth. But 9 is the odd composite number. So answer is 9. This V number is very, very important. Understand? Next. Write all the prime number 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 is 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. These are the two prime number between 20 and 30. Okay. Next, write all the composite number. Composite number means between. Between means we write the between. That is 42, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49. These are the all composite. Also remember that all the even number are compulsory composite number except 2. Okay. Now, suppose 1. 1 is not prime, not composite. 2 is prime. 3 is prime. 4 is composite. 5 is prime. 6 is composite. Similarly, suppose 40. 41 composite prime number. 42 composite. 43 prime. 44 even number means composite. 45 divisible by 5, that's why it is composite. 46 divisible by 2, that's why it is composite. 47 is prime. 48 is divisible by 2 because of 8, that's why it is a composite number. Understand? Then 49 divisible by 7, that's why it is a composite number. 50 is divisible by 5 or 2 or 10, that's why it is a composite number. 51 is divisible by 3, that's why it is a composite number. 69 is divisible by 3, that's why it is a composite number. How I check the divisible by 3? Because the addition of the 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 means 3 table, that's why it is divisible by 3. That's why. Okay. Next. Now find the prime factorization. Okay. So you should learn or remember from 1 to 20 prime number. That is 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Now there are two methods to find the prime factorization. One is tree method, another is the division method. Okay. So first we solve the tree method. That is 34. So tell me, 34 we can write 2 into 17. Okay. 2 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number. Answer. Suppose the question is 20. Same. First we write with 2 because first prime number is 2. That's why we start with 2. If the number is not divisible by 2, suppose how much? 45. Then we start with 3. If the number is not divisible by 3, then we start with 5. Okay. If the number is not divisible by 5, then we start with 7. I hope all of you clear. Now this one is 2 into 10. Now 10 is also divisible by 2. So 2 into 5. So answer is 2 into 2 into 5. Write the last node digit or the prime number. Okay. Now here is 3 into 15. 15 we can also write 3 into 5. 25, that is 5 into 5. 49, 7 into 7. Okay. Now this is the which method? And this method is called the factor tree method. Now solve this one. The question is 84. How to solve? Now first we write 2 because last digit is 2 means divisible by 2. Yes or no? Now 2 4 ja and the remaining is 4. 2 2 ja. Now again this number is divisible by 2. Yes or no? Now 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja. Now this number is not divisible by 2. That's why we write, check the 3. In 3 table 21, yes. That's why we divided with 3. 3 7 ja. Now check the last, all the node are the prime number. Now stop and write the answer. So prime factorization of the 84 equal to, in multiply write 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Suppose the question is 100, how to write? The same, first we write with 2, 2 into 50. Then again 2 because 0, 2 into 25. Now check 3, but 3 is not divisible by 25. That's why we again divide with 5. So 5 5 is answer. This method is called the factor 3 method. Then how to solve in the division method? The same 84. So check, this number is divisible by 2. Yes, because 2 rule is unit place must be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So now divided with 2. 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja. How to write? Now because 84 if you divided with 2, then we get the 42. Now simply write the 42. Now again check, this 42 again divided with 2. Okay. If you check, then we write 2. Otherwise not. Okay. Then 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja. Now check, not divisible by 2 because the unit place is 1. Now check the 3. Yes, divisible by 3. 3 7 ja. Now again divided with 7. 7 1 ja. Now stop. Okay. So write down. Clear? Suppose the question is 128. Division method. So how to solve? Now this number is divisible by 2 because of last digit is 8. So divided. 2 6 ja 12. In mind that is the 8. 2 4 ja 8. Now again divided with 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja. Again 2, 16 ja. Again 2, 8 ja, 4 ja, 2 ja, then 1 ja. Therefore, so answer is how many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So 128 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. I hope all of you clear. You can solve all the questions from your book. That is the 99. 99 means you can solve by directly 3. Sorry. 3 3 ja, 3 3 ja, again 3, 11 ja, then 11. Okay. Then you can solve 48, 45, 38, 42. Yes or no? Now, the prime factorization method, find the LCM. This is the very important. Okay. So first tell me what is the prime factor, the prime factorization of 16. How much? Now this 16 we can write 8 into 2, and 8 we can write 4 into 2. This 4 we can write 2 into 2. How many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Or you can solve by the division method. 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, then 2 1 ja. How many 2? 4 2. Then write out. Similarly, we write the 20 prime factorization. 2 10 ja, 2 5 ja, 5 1 ja. Means 2 into 2 into 5. Any doubt? Now write the LCM. LCM means first you write the common prime factor. That is the, here is 2, here is 2. Means this 2 is common. So write down once. You write the once, not the 2 times. Then again check, here is 2, here is 2. Then write 2, 1, 2. Now check, other no factors are common. Yes or no? Now other you must write in LCM case. That is the 2 and the remaining is also 2 and 5. If you multiply all the factor, then we can get the answer. That is the 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 5 ja 80. Understand? Now G number. Tell me 36 factor is 36 we can write 4 into 9. 9 we can write 3 into 3. 4 we can write 2 into 2. Either you can solve with this method or you can solve by the prime factorization method, sorry, tree method or the division method. Okay, 2 18 ja, 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, Now again write down 45. Same. 3 into 3, 9, 5. Now LCM. LCM means first we write the common. The common is, here is 3, here is 3. Write down 1, 3. Again, another 3 common. Write down another 3. Then write the other non-common part. That is the 2, 2 and 5. 9. Here is 10. 92, 1, 8. I hope all of you clear. Understand? Now some important fact you must remember. That is the 1 to 100. How many prime factors? Prime number 25. 1 to 50, 50. 50 to 100, 10. Smallest prime number is 2. Smallest composite number is 4. Smallest odd prime number is 3. Smallest odd composite number is 9. Largest 2-digit prime number is equal to 97. Largest 2-digit composite number is 99. Okay. Then smallest 2-digit prime number is 11 and composite number is 10. Okay. And we can't find largest multiple of any number. And also remember, factors are finite, means we can count, but multiple are infinite. Okay. And the smallest factor is 1. Largest factor is itself. Smallest multiple is itself. Largest multiple cannot find. Okay. These are the some important points you must remember. Okay. Now, chapter completed. In next class, we start mock test most expected for your periodic test 1 2025. So try to solve the mock test, then you can score good mark in your exam. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Best of luck for your periodic test 1 2025. Okay. Thank you.